check it out. Here they go. Set of headers for the Project Mayhem block. And from a company called Mac, which is no longer making much for the 302 anymore. But yeah, so we're gonna take them to a company called Engineered Applications. They're gonna go on ahead and ceramic coat them, make them look all pretty, because everything else on the Mayhem block looks all pretty, as you can see. You know, nice and pretty. So yeah, man. Also too, we got to get this alternator rebuilt. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. So let's grab these and get going. Alright, cool, man. We here at Engineering Applications. We're gonna go drop off the headers for the Project Mayhem block. So let's go on ahead inside here, you know. So check it out. His shop is almost like my shop because he got the Hot Wheels. Check it out. Look. Oh, it's tight. Yeah. He's got the stuff on the wall. This guy's a real car enthusiast, man. So whatever you're looking for as far as your headers go, check out some of the work they got here on the floor that's ready to go out the shop. Alright, so I'm gonna make mine pretty like these. Alright. What's up, man?
I am Gustavo Perez, owner of Engineered Applications. Come on in.
Love to check out the shop, man. I'm just bringing some headers, but he does everything, man. Oh, look at that.
This is what we'll do. We'll start on this side.
Sure.
How parts it in. Every part that comes in, essentially, the first thing that we do is clean them out.
Oh, okay.
By doing the grid blasting. That area there, we'll see here from the
okay, yeah.
Essentially. The area on your right, that's where grid blasting takes place. Essentially, there are some parts that are already grid blasted in the center. That will be going into the spray booth, which is at the end. The spray booth is essentially controlled by HEPA filtration system. 99.99% efficiency. Okay. After they're coated, they'll go into one of the ovens. They get here at 650 degrees.
I felt that heat.
Oh yeah.
I was like, I can feel it.
They're well insulated, but you can still feel the heat.
Yeah, it's hot in there. Yeah.
After that, essentially, this is as they come out from the oven. This is the makeup. Right here, this is the staging area for the cooling down. Okay.
Right.
And then from there, essentially, we finish them up at the other side.
Okay.
On the facility, which is the polishing area.
Okay.
After this area here, actually all the parts without the gold, polishing. Polishing takes place on the background.
Oh wow. Wow, that's tight, man. So you know how I met this young man? We were at the Long Beach Auto Swap Meet, and he was out there doing his thing. And who knew he had a huge warehouse and he's doing his thing. This guy is so humble, man. So he's gonna do the headers for the Project Mayhem block. I'm really looking forward to it because they do great work. So I'm gonna see him in a couple days. Peace out. All right, y'all, what's going on, man? So we back at Engineering Applications. We dropped some headers off, so we're gonna go pick up our headers now for Project Mayhem. Let's go check it out. Those are the same headers, guys, that you see. Engineering Applications, bro. Gotta tell you. If you guys remember, when I came to drop them off, they were black. They were all dirty. Look at that, man. Saucy. You see what I'm saying, guys? Now, brand new, something like this would cost you like $500, man, you know, from the engineering applications, you know, and you can get this same look. Look at the quality on that, bro. Look, you see me with the camera in the reflection. It's just tiny. Oh, I'm happy, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Anyway, yeah, so we got the headers done. As you guys saw, we went to go pick them up from engineering applications, and we got them all looking all pretty. So the thing is, when you have quality headers, the surface here is going to be nice and flat. Some headers that are not made as well, they'll have the tube here kind of poking through, and you got to grind them flat. But it's always best to have it, you know, flat, as you can see on these. So anyway, these are some old Mac headers, and they were in good shape. They weren't all dinged up and everything. And people may ask, why am I going shorty headers? Well, I'm gonna lower the crap out of this car, and to have long tubes would be a pain. So I put some tape over the exhaust ports to not let any dirt off in there. Let's do the big reveal. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, that's what it's gonna look like. We still got plenty of space for our spark plugs. Okay, so what we're gonna be using is an ARP bolt setup. It was pretty cheap. There's a guy at the Long Beach Auto Swap Meet, and he sells all of this stuff. I mean, I don't know where he gets it from, but he sells all of this stuff. So if you need anything, just go on ahead to the Long Beach Auto Swap Meet and go pick it up. And then we also got a hold of some exhaust manifold gaskets. These are Felpros, nothing super fancy, just some regular exhaust manifold gaskets. What I like about them is that it'll tell you right side, left side, and also tell you the top and bottom, which is pretty obvious as far as top and bottom. But I like the fact that it says right and then left, which is tight. Okay, so let's go ahead and start mounting these up, see what we can do with them. Okay, I got it threaded. We'll get a couple more threads in there. All right, so at this stage, I just leave it loose. So it's still loose. So what I like about these gaskets is it's got these little hooks, okay, that you just kind of rest behind the bolts there, and it'll just hook into place. There it is. That's simple. There's no torque sequence that I know of, but I'll just bring these down enough. Junkyard headers, junkyard heads, junkyard block, junkyard valve covers. I mean, we going in, man. And you see, we're still working on that supercharger intake up here. We're about to do a little bit of fabrication, turn that into metal. There it is. Junkyard headers have been installed. We're still going to junkyard deal.